My name is Vesta. I'm the owner of VEV Collections. I have the grand opening coming June the 5th. Hope you guys are ready to spend your money. But anyways, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my clothing line. My clothing line is for small, medium, and large right now, currently. I have plans to expand to include plus sizing as well. I already have my plus size model in mind. One of my clients, Naya, she's gorgeous and she's gonna kill these looks that I have in plan. I want you guys to understand that this line is gonna be unique pieces because I like to be unique. I like to stand out of a crowd. I don't like to have anything on that somebody else has on, and I like to be unique, and that's just me. I'm Vesta, and this is VEV Collections, and this is going to be a representation of what I want and what I like, and I hope you guys love it.